flavorful Indonesian rendang curry recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Indonesia. Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on a culinary adventure to explore the diverse flavors of the world. Today, we're taking you to the enchanting land of Indonesia to discover the mouthwatering delights of rendang curry. This iconic Indonesian dish is known for its rich flavors and tender meat, slow cooked to perfection. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the tantalizing world of Indonesian cuisine. To create this sensational rendang curry, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 500 grams beef, such as chuck or brisket, cut into bite-sized cubes. 2 cups coconut milk, 2 stalks lemongrass, bruised 4 kaffir lime leaves, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, 4 shallots, finely chopped 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons grated ginger, 2 tablespoons grated galangal, 3 tablespoons rendang curry paste, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, 1 tablespoon palm sugar or brown sugar, salt to taste, sliced red chilies and fresh cilantro for garnish. Now, let's dive into the flavors of Indonesia. Step 1. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the shallots, garlic, grated ginger, and grated galangal. Sauté until fragrant and golden brown. Step 2. Add the cinnamon stick, cloves, and cardamom pods to the pot, and stir-fry for a minute to release their aromatic flavors. Step 3. Add the beef cubes to the pot and cook until they are browned on all sides. Step 4. Pour the coconut milk into the pot, followed by the bruised lemongrass stalks and kaffir lime leaves. Step 5. Stir in the rendang curry paste, tamarind paste, and palm sugar. Season with salt to taste. Mix everything well. Step 6. Reduce the heat to low and let the rendang curry simmer gently for about 3 to 4 hours, or until the beef becomes tender and the flavors have melded together beautifully. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent the curry from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Step 7. Once the beef is tender and the curry has thickened to your desired consistency, remove the lemongrass stalks and kaffir lime leaves from the pot. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Step 8. Transfer the aromatic rendang curry to a serving dish and garnish it with sliced red chilies and fresh cilantro for a vibrant touch. And there you have it, Indonesia's beloved rendang curry. The tender beef, rich coconut milk, and fragrant blend of spices create a symphony of flavors that will transport you to the heart of Indonesian cuisine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through Indonesia. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic rendang curry. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, selamat makan and happy cooking.